Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with Sanjeev Day again. And you always get here English conversation videos, and I always try to make such type of videos. I hope this video would be helpful to you. And I request to you, if you are new here, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And so guys, without wasting time, let's get start. First of all, you're welcome to again Sanjeev Day in my channel.
Thank you, brother,
Yes,
for giving me some opportunity to talk with your channel.
yes, it's my pleasure.
Same to you, same here,
Okay,
same here.
yeah. And how are doing right now?
I'm doing well. Today is Sunday, so do not have a school. I'm stay at home.
Okay, and how was your day?
Day is till now is perfect, good.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and how is your practicing going on for English speaking learning?
Yes, practice is going on perfectly because nowadays I try to connect new people. So I try to every day we converse each other. Um, I have few partner like you, Gaurav Singh, Vishwajit, Pawan Focus Bansal, and new partner is Focus no Muntu Cairo. So we
Yeah,
have
hero. I also
yes,
know
yes,
multi
yes,
hero
yes,
Viswajit.
yes. I watch your video.
Yes. Means your practicing is going on very well.
Yes, yes.
And are you watching any YouTube videos on YouTube?
Yes. Because you have create few people create YouTube channel, so I watch their your YouTube channel. Actually, not too much people create YouTube channel. I do not still I do not create any channel, so I just watch your focus, Montu, the Biswajit their video.
Okay, thank you. And are you able to understand what is speaking that person?
Yes. Everybody is now our beginner, so we understand everybody whatever they speak. I understand. They also understand my what I speak because our main intention, main motto is how to communicate each other.
Okay.
We do not run after any accent or fluent speak. Now we just beginner, so we take step by step to improve our speaking English.
Yes. Okay. And what is the weather condition in your area?
Weather is a little bit last night to the heavy rainfall here with thunderstorm, and today is a little bit better, but I think rain will happen.
Yes. Some time
What about
ago, yes,
okay?
in my
What about
area,
yes.
yes, in my area, sometimes ago, it is cloudy. Yeah, it is cloudy, and now it is drizzling.
So last conversation we just decide that we discuss about or choose any topics like technology. You remember technology?
Yes, technology.
Actually, technology is our part of life because without technology we cannot survive.
Yes. Uh, I, I would like to ask you. Please tell me something about technology. Okay.
Actually, technology due to technology, I talk with you now. You are Jharkhand. Actually, Jharkhand.
Yeah. I'm from Jharkhand.
Yes, so you are Jharkhand, I am West Bengal. So due to technology, we are converse each other now. Without
Yes,
technology,
yes, yes,
yes. Technology
yes,
is big. Technology is backbone of our life. Backbone. Actually, without technology, you cannot do. From morning to till go to bed, we do so a lot of things with the help of technology. And technology nowadays, technology is everywhere. Uh, Hospital, office, transport system, when everywhere, and sports. So technology is a part of our life. And
yes,
if
right.
we we use it a better way, so it is boon for our life. If we use uh, if you use badly, so it is bane for our life. This is two things. Some people use bad way use. They don't do go good way. They use bad thing. This
Yeah.
technology.
In this time, technology became essential part of my life. Yeah, yeah. Without technology, we cannot progress too much. Yes, yes. Help of technology, you and me can connect. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And
Yes.
due to technology in the COVID time, student use technology and read this 2 year in at home with the help
Yes. Yes.
of online. Yes, online.
Yes. And help of technology, any work we can do in a just second. Yeah, mm, we can do anything in a short time.
Short span. It's span of
Yes,
short.
time.
Yes, yes.
Yes, in this way,
Okay.
we can say technology is a very essential part of my life. and
Yes.
and